Welcome to the Time Travel Coming from the past or going to the future, we definitely have something that you can use.
We have dinosaur eggs, we have woolly mammoth meat in cans, we have robot milk, togas in jars.
Students will come in and they'll be like, wait, those are dinosaur eggs? Are those real dinosaur eggs? And they're just kind of like, what are these things? What is this store filled with things I've never seen before?
To them, if it's on a shelf and it's for sale, it exists and it's possible. And so that's a really great way for us to connect with them and for them to see that it's okay to be weird and it's okay to have a really great imagination and to be able to use that in a creative environment, but also in one that is a real store.
We really value creativity and whimsy. And so the space is designed for students to feel at ease and to feel that this is a home away from home or a third space where they can be themselves and meet other folks who really care about them and let their imaginations go wild.
Having the opportunity to do something creative with their students is something that teachers don't get the chance to do very often, and 826 is able to come in and provide that for their students. So whether we're going into the schools to work with students and helping them with creative writing, or whether students are coming here on a field trip and getting their stories published in 3 hours, it allows teachers to give their students the opportunity to do something really fun and creative with writing.
LA is one of the largest school districts, so we are burdened with not enough resources in the classroom, teachers having too many students in the classroom. So what 826 is able to do in that case is to support teachers in what they need, very specifically in just bringing more adults into the classroom.
Being able to bring adults from the community, many who are writers, others who are doctors, lawyers, professionals of all kinds, who can come in and sit side by side with the student. I feel that that is the essence of what 826 is. It's having adults who care sit down with young people who really just want more attention and want people who care around them, who can give them feedback and can listen to them.
It's that one-on-one interaction where volunteers are taught to ask a lot of questions and to really validate student ideas and say things like, that's a great idea, that's really interesting to me, but tell me a little bit more. What does that mean to you? Why do you feel that way? Oh, that word that you use, let's go with that. Okay, that made me laugh. Let's write a little bit more about that. And so I think that that's really unique to have an adult sit with a student or a small group of students and have ideas really validated and heard, and then the students just get that empowerment to really say, hey, I can do this, I'm good at this, maybe I am a writer.
The confidence building that we get to see in the students that we work with, especially in tutoring, who are here sometimes for many years, it speaks to the kind of place that 826 is, because we're not just a place where students learn how to write better and get published, but they grow with their confidence, they grow in their compassion for other people, they grow new interests, they grow their dreams, and that's really, really cool to watch.